What's strong, precise, and used to make everything from medical advices to inflatable boats? It's radio frequency welding, a game changer in manufacturing. Radio frequency welding, or RF welding, uses high-frequency electromagnetic waves to bond materials like PVC, polyurethane, and other thermoplastics. Electrodes deliver energy, heating the materials just enough to fuse them without burning. The result? A seamless, airtight, and durable bond. Why choose RF welding? It's fast, precise, and creates bonds stronger than stitching or gluing. It's perfect for industries like healthcare, automotive, and outdoor gear, where reliability is critical. Plus, it's clean, no adhesives or messy chemicals. Unlike sewing or hot air welding, which can weaken materials, RF welding offers unmatched consistency, and it's ideal for complex shapes and high-stake applications where failure isn't an option. Here's how it looks. Operators place materials between electrodes, set the frequency and pressure, and let the machine do the rest. In seconds, you get a perfect weld ready for the toughest conditions. From life-saving devices to rugged outdoor gear, RF welding shapes the world around us. Next time you see a perfectly sealed seam, you'll now know the tech behind it. Thanks for watching.